Hey there! So, imagine this common problem. You've just done a full backup of your hard drive using Time Machine, reinstalled macOS, and suddenly realize all your Microsoft Remote Desktop beta configurations are gone. Bummer, right? But fret not. I got the solution for you. Let's dive into the solution. The configurations for Microsoft RDP 10 beta for Mac are actually stored in a specific path. All you need to do is navigate to users.user library application support.microsoft.rdc.osx.beta. This location holds the key to recovering all your lost settings and connections. In this directory, you'll find a few essential files and directories that you'll need to copy over to your new system. These include supporting images, comporta Microsoft.absentia, comporta Microsoft.adc.application data.scleech, comporta Microsoft.adc.application data.scleech and comporta Microsoft.adc.application data.scleech. Copy these over, reopen the RDP app, and voila! Your connection list from the old configuration will magically reappear. To wrap it all up, by following these steps, you can easily restore your Microsoft Remote Desktop beta configurations after reinstalling macOS. Just remember that while your usernames will remain intact, unfortunately, the passwords will be lost in the process. It's a mystery why that happens, but hey, at least you've got your connections back. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy configuring!